It's another beautiful weekend outing. We plan to visit the temple, which is the closest, and it is called Yeonggaksa. It's a bit sunny but could manage the hot weather on the road. Dion loves the Dragon Head water pond. The water is so cool and refreshing. It's Dada and Dion's day at the temple. Both loves to play with the cool, refreshing water. The temple is very peaceful and previously I have done a full video at here. If you do mind, go check it out. Link is in the description below. It is so hard to drag Dion from the water pond. Now it's time to go back home and it's nice to see how Dion walked by his Dada's side. Couldn't control him, so Dada had to carry him all the way back to the car park. Dion still trying to take a glimpse of the water pond as he was very fond about it. Stay tuned until next time with another exciting adventure.